My name is Ivan. I lead product here for Search and Integrations.
And I'm Raya. I'm a solutions engineer, and I work with clients every day to be more productive with ClickUp.
Today, we'll be looking back on the year to highlight all the ways we made your ClickUp experience easier, faster, and more reliable. We'll start by showing you all the improvements we made to search, and then we'll show you the next generation of search, which we call version 3, that will change how you work forever. Along the way, we will show you a brand new desktop experience and a way to bring your other apps into ClickUp for the ultimate all-in-one workspace.
The story starts last summer when we released Search version 2. Our goal is to simplify the product, make the search results more relevant, and add the features that our users have been most vocal about.
The first thing we did was simplify the interface. We used to have 3 search-like interfaces: Legacy Quick Switch for navigating the hierarchy, Command Center that could almost do it all, and the Search Modal for searching tasks and docs. So we took the features from each interface and reduced it into one unified experience. Now, everything is just one click or one keyboard shortcut away. Just type Command K. Everything you could do before is now available in one single interface. Run commands, navigate the hierarchy, or just search. It's one less choice you have to make, helping you stay in flow and on task.
We also fully rebuilt the search index, allowing us to add the most requested features. First, we wanted to make sure that everything inside ClickUp is searchable, so now dashboards and whiteboards also appear in search results, just like you would expect. We also made search deeper, allowing you to search through custom fields, threaded comments, and even the contents of a whiteboard. But search is not all about keywords. Sometimes you remember you started working on something, but you forgot what you called it or where you put it. With new filters like Created by Me or Assigned to Me and Task Status filters, you can easily narrow the results to get to that needle in a haystack.
And even though we added new features, we were still able to make the results faster and more relevant. In fact, Search v2 was 2 times faster than the previous version. A fast search feels good, but what really saves you time is getting back the results you're looking for. To make the results more relevant, we added personalized ranking, meaning the tasks and docs and whiteboards you interact with will return higher in the search results. A lot of the time, you're looking for things you know exist because you commented on it, or you changed it, or you just remember seeing it at some point in time. With personalized ranking, we can tailor the results based on how you use ClickUp.
With Search v2, we simplified the UI, made the search index more comprehensive, faster, and more relevant. While we were doing that, we were working on the next generation of our search architecture that would allow us to push search even further, which brings us to Search v3.
Search v3 is brand new, built from the ground up to break through the limitations we ran into with the previous architecture. It is designed to be even faster, even more relevant, and also real-time, meaning that when you make changes in ClickUp, those changes will be reflected in search much faster.
We added new filters, letting you quickly see anything created or assigned to a teammate of yours, for example. Let's try the filters now. I know Ivan's been working on this presentation, but I don't know what he called his rough draft. I can just search the filters to see all the pages that he created that I have access to. Oh, there it is. We also made more things available through keyboard shortcuts. Now you can even do more without touching the mouse. Toggle the filter tabs using Control and number keys, or filter for things in the current location with Control L. But the most useful thing we added was the ability to tab on something, which allows you to continue your thought in the command center. With Tab, you can chain multiple actions like searching for something, and then copying the URL without moving your hands from keyboard or breaking flow.
The technological foundation for Search v3 means it's already faster than the previous version, and it will only continue to get faster. But the real speed gain was not from the new architecture, but it was from a brand new user experience. The insight was that search doesn't begin when you type your keywords in a search box. It begins when you first have the idea. Let's take a look at a real example. I like to start my day by opening the weekly notes document that my team and I work on when we start the week. Let's trace what I do from the moment I have the idea to me opening the doc. First, I have to move my mouse to open Chrome. I have to not get distracted by whatever tab is open and hurry my cursor to the location bar, where I click and then move my hands to the keyboard to start typing ClickUp. Chrome typically auto-completes here. I wait for ClickUp to load. I then move my hands to the mouse and then drag the mouse to select Search. And only then can I start typing weekly notes. Now, if we look at our speed improvement diagrams again, and we add in the time it takes to get to search, it's clear that no matter how fast we make our technology, we won't put much of a dent in saving you time. I should also mention that all this time that's visualized has nothing to do with what I actually wanted to do, which was to open my weekly notes document. All this time was wasted with me just fiddling with my computer.
But what if the moment you had an idea, you could just start typing? And that's exactly what you can do with the new desktop command center. When you install the desktop app, you can just type a shortcut regardless of which app you're in, and it will overlay the command center where you can just start typing what's on your mind. To illustrate how much faster the new desktop command center is, Ivan and I staged a race.
It was a blowout. And so if we compare it to the previous version of search, you can see that using the new command center can save you on average 10 to 15 seconds per search. So if you, like many of our customers who search 200 times a week, that can save you as much as 30 minutes per week. But the command center is not just about search. It also brings commands closer. So when inspiration strikes and you suddenly need to file a task, you can just type new task. It's not all business either. It can do other fun things too, like launch applications, help you perform quick math calculations, convert currency, and more.
The command center is also a fully extensible platform. We'll be opening up the ability to write custom commands so you can share them with your team to unlock unique workflows that make more of your day-to-day only a shortcut away.
To make the desktop command center possible, we had to fully rebuild our desktop app. And if you downloaded our app today, you will be using what we call Desktop 3.0. It's a brand new technical foundation that unlocks new features like the command center, but more importantly, we rebuilt it to be able to deliver a higher quality desktop app experience, with the goal of making it the best way to experience ClickUp. Along with the command center, we're also releasing a feature we call Open in Desktop to help make jumping to the desktop app even easier. You're going to love the new command center, but there's one more thing that Search v3 unlocks. Although ClickUp can replace a lot of your apps, we can't replace them all. But with Search v3, we can certainly unify them, bringing your favorite apps like Figma, Google Drive, and others into a unified search experience, which we call Universal Search. Now, the fastest search experience is not just confined to ClickUp, but to the other apps you use at work too, for the ultimate all-in-one workspace experience.
Today, we're starting with select integrations, but you should expect our list of supported universal search applications to grow over time. We'll also be opening up APIs to add your own custom data sources so even your internal apps and records can easily be findable. To access the Universal Search beta, you'll need to be on our Business Plus plan. To get started, just enable the Universal Search ClickUp.
But before you can search anything, you'll first need to connect an app. To pull this off, we fully rethought the experience of connecting and managing integrations on ClickUp with a new product we call the App Center. Let's connect Google Drive and try out Universal Search. So to connect Google Drive, I'll click on the user profile and select App Center. From there, you'll be able to see all the apps already connected to ClickUp or browse for more apps to connect. Now that Google Drive is connected, I can now quickly find anything directly from the command center. What's even more fun is that you also unlock new commands. So if I want to create a new presentation, I can just run the Create New Google Slides command whenever the thought comes.
The App Center is the one-stop shop to quickly learn what you can connect to ClickUp and configure just the way you like. The available apps are presented in a way you can easily learn what features they unlock, making it easier to learn how to make the most out of ClickUp. We're not just showing the apps, we're also improving how the integrations work. You should expect some neat surprises to your favorite integrations like Slack, Calendar, as well as some new integrations we have up our sleeves. The App Center is not just a new UI, it's a brand new platform that anyone will be able to extend and build on top of. The things native ClickUp integrations can do, you will be able to build your own apps to do the same. Did you build a cool new integration for ClickUp? The upcoming developer portal will let you publish your apps to the App Center, letting other ClickUp customers discover and install your app.
Today, we showed all the things we built to improve your ClickUp experience. A more capable search, a uniquely fast search experience, a new desktop application, a beta of Universal Search to unify all your work in one place, and a reimagined App Center to quickly add new functionality to ClickUp. Everything was built to improve the quality of your experience. And we built it in a way where we'll only continue to get better. We hope you enjoy, and we look forward to sharing more surprises with you in the near future. Toodle pip!